Finally getting started on the garage today. Very excited for this. But first, breakfast. I think I missed the perfect flip on this. That is very upsetting. Time to start painting. First I gotta move everything out, of course. I just need to clear space for the walls and painting the ceiling. So I just need to be able to get around everything. I'll put a bunch of stuff outside, some stuff into the middle, but I do need to paint the ceiling, so I can't have too much in the way. This is going to be terrible, so I'll probably just time lapse I need to show you this. I've been seeing these guys in the morning, these little crabs. This one's dead, but like almost every morning when I go out to the car, they're out here running around in the drive. Like one or two. I guess we're kind of close to the water. We're pretty close to the water, but it's just funny that they make it all the way into the neighborhood. This is the paint I'm using today for the walls. Roller for the walls. This is the paint I want for the ceiling, not ceiling paint. Here's another one. Is this one alive or dead? I think he's dead. Yeah. He is no longer with us. So we've been getting quotes on new windows, impact windows, so we don't have to put those up. They're the biggest pain to store, to put up. They look stupid. Windows are really expensive, impact windows, but gosh, it's worth it. They keep the energy bill down. It's just so much better. Keep it cooler in the house. Sound, there's nearly no sound comes through, so I can't wait to get rid of these stupid things. But right now they just junk up the garage or any storage unit that we have, so, and they're a pain. Or if you want to pay to have someone install them, put them up for you during the season, it's like $50 to $100 a window, and almost all of our windows are on the second floor. And we have a giant 3-door slider in the back. These things are huge. I mean, the ceilings are what, 9 feet tall. Those are within an inch of the ceiling, so yeah, just ridiculous. So anyway, hopefully new windows come in about 8 to 10 weeks, and then I can throw all of these in the trash. And by trash, I mean have one of these metal scrap guys come pick them up and take them. He can make $50 for them when he takes them to the scrap yard. I have no idea how heavy this pallet is. I didn't bowl out and go like crazy cabinets. These are New Age Bold 3.0 in black. This one here is a New Age in white. It's fine. So, but it's 2 36-inch cabinets, 2 36-inch like drawers, all on one pallet. I'm gonna try and move the whole thing. Might be a bad idea. I don't know. We'll find out. To be able to paint behind it now. So, should be good. Get behind here with the roller, the brush. There's I don't know, a couple of feet, a few feet. So, and get squeezed behind everything. Just gonna brush the walls off with the broom. I'll move these last couple things and start painting. Okay, started, just got around this light. I'll be replacing these lights eventually, this light. But for now, this is just phase 1 of the garage. The light is not at the top of the list. Satin, ultra bright white, so just an untinted white, and then the walls did the cutting in for the walls. I don't remember the name of the color. Oh, here, it's right here. This is gray cloth, bare gray cloth in satin. I like satin because it reflects the light a little bit, so you'll have a nice little glow. So cut in all the way down to the floor. And I'll finish this right now, but I had to bring everything back in because it started raining. Getting behind the water heater is terribly difficult, but took down a bunch of power. I'll put that back up. I like to get behind things if I can instead of going around them. So, should finish this tomorrow. the painting anyway. Then we'll get it back together and get going on the floors and the cabinets. So, very wall's done. This looks way darker than that just because of the way the light is right now. White ceiling, gray walls. Maybe this will show it, yeah. See it against the white door. But a few spots to touch up. A few thin spots. Up here is kind of thin. I don't know if you can see it on camera. But yeah, a couple of spots to touch up and then we get started on the floors. Start next weekend.